Now, ninth graders, we're going to take a look at number 5 and number 6 in your orientation assignment. I should mention right off the bat that as you get deeper into this assignment, the exercises become a bit more difficult. There are more steps to follow, and you need to pay careful attention to the directions. So here, number 5, we're going to ask you to use a database called Explorer Grades 9 through 12. Now, you have to go to learn.xbhs.com to access Explorer Grades 9 through 12. And here it is right here, Explorer Grades 9 through 12. We click on this box, and it's going to bring us to a page that may pop up on some of your screens. You have to pick your XBHS Google address. So it's either xbhs.com or for students it's xbhs.net. So you pick that address and it allows you into all these databases. You may remember I pointed this out to you in the layout of the library presentation. So now I have the Explorer search screen up in front of me. What am I going to search for? Let me look back at the directions. And the directions tell me that this is the term I'm going to use. Everybody has a different term. This student has Florida oranges. So I'm going to type that in right here, Florida oranges. I'm not going to pick what they want me to type in. I'm going to go with what I have, Florida oranges. And a list of 1,538 items come up. But let me go back to the directions. The directions tell me to narrow down the results list by selecting magazines under source types. So let me go back and look over to the left. And right here on the left, you see magazines. So I'm going to select that. And as soon as I select it, the list is reordered, and now it's 95 items. And usually the first 1 or 2 is a good one to use that will have all the information you need. So I need the title, which is right here. Okay, I need the name of the magazine, which is right here, and the date it was published, which is right there. And there's the page number of the magazine. It starts on page 146. So all that, I don't have to go beyond this page right here because all the information I need is right here. And I'm going to take that information and I'm going to plug it right in on the assignment sheet. If it's a long title to the article, just put down the first 4 or 5 words and I'll be able to figure it out when it's time to correct these. Put down the name of the magazine, the date, and the page number or page numbers of the article. Okay. So again, I'll quickly go back and show you what that information is. It's right here, title, magazine title. Okay. This is the title of the article. This is the name of the magazine. This is the date of publication, and here's the page number. No need to go beyond this page. Okay, so let's see what the directions tell us next. What are we going to do with number 6? So number 6, once again, we're going to use learn.xbhs.com, and we're going to select biography databases. So let me go back to that page. Okay. Here it is right here. Now, the biography databases are on these smaller sliders that are above these larger boxes. So I'm going to click on biography databases. And I'm going to get redirected to that website. And once I do, I'm going to pick World Biography. Again, back to the directions. The directions tell you to pick World Biography. So I'm going to make that selection, and it brings me to a search page. And up here, I will type in the name of the person that we have given you on the assignment sheet. And then you do a search by selecting Go. And then you scroll through the biographies until you find one on your particular author. You have to read into it a bit, and then you pull out the information that you can fill in on the answer sheet, just as you see it being done here. So those are your directions for numbers 5 and number 6. If you follow these directions carefully, you should be able to succeed on this part of the assignment.